Hey guys, welcome to the latest episode of the EJ Tech Show, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Realme X7 Pro. So the box comes in this nice silver shade instead of Realme's typical bright yellow packaging that we've become all too familiar with over the years. Anyway, open up the lid and you'll find a slim box with the phone's official tagline: "Uncover the extraordinary speed." The E seems to be missing from the extra, but pretty sure that's been done on purpose. Inside the box, you'll get all the paperwork like the safety and quick start guides. Underneath that, there's the phone itself in all its shiny glory. There's also a transparent TPU case in the box that offers nice enough build quality. Now let's get this plastic off the phone so we can check out the design. We've been sent the fantasy color variant and it says "Dare to Leap" on the back in big, bold letters. The colors shift and produce these beautiful patterns as light reflects off its frosted matte glass rear surface. It looks absolutely fantastic, and we haven't quite seen anything like it with that massive logo. Every corner of the phone looks polished, and there's some nice attention to detail like the yellow accent on the power button. There's also a split volume rocker on the left side. Down here at the bottom of the phone, you'll notice a dual SIM card slot, USB Type-C port, and the loudspeaker. By the way, you do get stereo speakers over here, and yes, Dolby Atmos is included in the software department for audio enhancement. Now let's boot up the phone and keep it aside for now and see what else we get in the box. There's a 65-watt Super Dart charging brick, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable, and a 3.5mm audio jack adapter, as there's no headphone jack on the phone. Now let's go back to the phone and get it all set up. This is it, the Realme X7 Pro with a large 6.55-inch Super AMOLED display that supports 120Hz refresh rate. The 120Hz refresh rate means that the screen can present 120 frames per second. Whether you're swiping the screen to browse information, playing games, or enjoying high frame rate video, it's buttery smooth all the way. Sadly, the phone doesn't come with Android 11 out of the box, and instead you get Android 10 at hand with Realme UI running on top. But don't worry, the company says the latest Realme UI 2.0 will be rolling out soon enough. On the back, there's a quad camera setup with an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, a 2MP black and white portrait lens, a 2MP macro camera, and a primary 64MP Sony IMX686 sensor. There's also a vapor cooling system available here that reduces the core temperature to as low as 10 degrees Celsius, allowing you to flash charge while gaming comfortably. On the front, there's a 32MP punch-hole selfie camera that offers a flashy animation when turned on. Priced at 29,999 rupees for this lone 8GB RAM, 128GB storage model, the Realme X7 Pro gets powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus 5G chipset and a 4500 mAh battery. On paper, it seems like a very capable smartphone, but we'll reserve the final verdict for our upcoming in-depth full review of the Realme X7 Pro right here on Editor G. Stay tuned.